Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL with Workbench. So let's start. First of all, open your web browser and search for MySQL download. Now here you can see the fourth link which says MySQL installer, and this is the latest version as of today. So open the fourth link, and in here make sure to select the operating system Microsoft Windows, and as you can see here are two download buttons. So we are going to download this file which is 439 MB. So click on the download button and then click here no thanks, just start my download. So it will start downloading into your PC. So as you can see below, I have already downloaded, so I'm going to open the installer file from here. So now you have to click yes. It usually takes some time. So now you have to click yes. So as you can see in the window, we have several options to for installation, and you can choose the developer default. This will include all the basic softwares with MySQL, but I'm going to go with the custom setting because I need to download specific items, not everything else. So I'm going to choose custom and then click on next. In here, uh, extend the first option and extend this one as well, and once again extend this, and as you can see this is the MySQL server. Click on this and then click on the right arrow. It will add the into the queue for installation. Then you can close this. Now extend the applications. Now you can extend the Workbench. Now once again extend this as well, and as you can see this is the MySQL Workbench. Click on this and click on the right arrow. This will add into the queue for installation, and you can close this application. Now one more thing, I need to download here MySQL Shell as well. So again click the shell and click the right arrow, and I also want to install the MySQL router, so extend this and click this one and click the right button, and you can close this application. Now here I'm going to install uh, MySQL connector for the Python. So click on the last one and again extend this, and you can select this version and again click the right arrow button, and now you can close this MySQL connector. Now for the documentation I'm going to install the first one MySQL and this one. Once again click the right arrow. That's it. Here are the 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the 6 packages that I want to install into my system. So once you add it into the queue, now click on the next button, and from here you can click execute. It will start installing the all the packages into your system. So it's gonna take some minutes because there are almost 6 packages to install. So as you can see, the installation of the packages are completed. So now click on the next button. Once again click on the next, and here I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to keep it default and click on the next. So once again click on the next, and here you need to write a password which will be your root password for MySQL. So I'm going to type, so again repeat the password, must be same as above, and now click on the next, and here once again I'm not going to change anything, keep it default and click on the next, and now you have to click the execute button. So as you can see, the installation is completed. Now click on the finish button, and once again click on the next, and here you can see um, some basic details, and then click on the finish button again, and once again click next, and here the final finish button. That's it. So this is the MySQL shell, and this is the MySQL Workbench. So this is your root server, and here I'm going to write the password which I entered during the installation. So that's it. This is the my work environment of the MySQL. So that's it for today. This video was about for the installation of MySQL and MySQL Workbench. So I hope you followed the steps correctly and installed successfully all these packages and MySQL into your system. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.